a young boy from Uttarakhand, India, with a passion for music, turned his struggles into success. This is the story of MZ Bella, a name that resonates with every Indian hip-hop fan. Born actively participated in singing competitions, showcasing his talent at a young age. His love for words and rhythm set him apart from his peers, and he would often spend hours writing verses, perfecting his craft. Bella pursued higher education at the University of Delhi, but his heart was always set on music. He began recording and uploading his rap songs on YouTube, steadily building a fan base. He soon joined the rap group Da Desi Toli, further strengthening his presence in the Indian hip-hop scene. His early struggles included financial difficulties and limited access to professional recording equipment, but his dedication never wavered. The turning point in his career came in 2019 when he participated in MTV Hustle, India's first rap reality show. His raw talent, powerful lyrics, and unmatched flow impressed the judges, Raja Kumari, Nuclear, and Raftar. Bella dominated the competition and emerged as the winner, marking the beginning of a new era in his life. His performances were not just about rap, they were storytelling sessions where he poured his heart out, touching on themes of pain, struggle, ambition, and self-reflection. Following his victory, Bella released several hit singles like Ilaka, Khush Nahi Khud Se, and Kyun Rahun Chup. These songs quickly gained millions of views, solidifying his reputation as one of India's finest rappers. His music is known for its deep lyrics, often delving into personal experiences, societal issues, and introspective themes. His words have a way of reaching deep into the soul, making people feel every emotion he conveys. Apart from music, Bella has built a strong social media presence, engaging with his fans and sharing his journey. With hundreds of thousands of followers on Instagram, he continues to inspire many aspiring artists. He often shares behind-the-scenes clips, motivational messages, and glimpses of his creative process, giving his fans a deeper insight into his life beyond the stage. However, his journey has not been without challenges. Bella faced personal losses, including the tragic passing of a loved one. Despite these hardships, he stayed dedicated to his music, using his pain to fuel his art. His ability to channel pain into passion serves as an inspiration for countless young artists facing similar struggles. He often speaks about how music became his therapy, helping him cope with the darkest moments of his life. MZ Bella's story is one of resilience, passion, and determination. From a small-town boy to an MTV Hustle winner and a rising rap star, he proves that dreams come true for those who dare to chase them. His journey is a testament to the power of perseverance and self-belief. He embodies the spirit of never giving up, reminding us that success is not about where you come from but about how far you are willing to go.